Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another faucet website. You can claim your faucet every day, and you can earn every claim 25 time claim per day. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. If you have faucet account, that was good, you can claim your faucet. This faucet website is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the one of the best website cryptocurrency that is have a low price. Right now you can earn much more. If the price go up, you can sell all your Dogecoin. Okay, and this one every 5 minutes 25 time claim. This is the percentage of people claims, okay, to earn. Okay, copy your faucet pay Dogecoin wallet address and paste in here. Go to your deposit and copy your Dogecoin wallet address, okay, and come here, paste in here, and just click solve the capture. I'm human. This one is car. Just select the car, just click next. Car, just click next. One of the car I miss. Okay, no problem. This is 3 7 10 6. Okay, I wait 5 seconds. Okay, 1, and click get reward, and you can claim your reward. Okay, this website pay me this much Dogecoin, and I go to my user dash to show you this website pay me 100% my Dogecoin. Okay, you can see this is my Dogecoin. This website pay me, and this payment is instantly. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.